Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter called MS Excel. So, why do we need Excel? Excel is a software which is used for maintaining our data. So, whenever we need to work with data, we cannot use our Word. We have to use a software which is specialized on maintaining data. This is like, suppose right now you are coming to me to learn English. I'm not, maybe I can speak English, maybe I can write something in English, but I am not good at English. So, if you come to me for learning English, maybe you will not be benefited. So, you have to learn from a person who is specialized in English. So, if you have to come to me, you have to come for computer, right? Like this, X in Microsoft Word. So, we call it Microsoft Suite or Office. We have different softwares who are best at their work. For the example, suppose I want to write a letter. For that, Word is better. Suppose I want to make a form. For that also, Word is better. But when it comes to make a separate thing which is totally on data, so we need Excel. We don't have any other option. Excel generally helps us in maintaining our data so that we can use our data whenever we need. And right now I have 10,000 students marks, and I want the name who has got highest marks, and I want all the students names who have failed in the exam. So it is very difficult for me to find out those 1000 or 10,000 records manually. So what I will do, instead of finding them manually, I shall just go open Excel where I have put all my data, and I will just use some formulas. Instead of me, the Excel will give me the result on my behalf, and my work will be very much easy. For this kind of reason, whenever we need any kind of work which is related to data, we use Excel. Okay? So today in this session we will learn how to use Excel properly, and one more thing, in this class we will learn how to operate it properly. Okay? So to open Excel, first of all we have to come here and type EXCEL, Excel, Microsoft Word Excel 2010, which I have right now. Click here. So my Excel has opened. This portion is known as the ribbon. Inside this portion, at the top, we have the quick access toolbar. From the name itself, you can understand it is there for quick access. We need the features we need very frequently, like saving, then redo, undo. These type of operations are very frequent operations. That's why we need them. We need to do it very frequently. That's why we use it. Okay. Apart from this, we have another option. These are called tabs. Whenever I'm clicking on the tabs, all the options down there are getting changed. Inside this part, inside the tabs we have different groups. Groups means the functions or the options which are similar. Like, I want to segregate the students into 4 groups. 5 students who are good at singing, 5 students who are good at dancing, 5 students who are good at fighting. So I am just separating those students separately. In Excel also, we are separating them separately just by giving them the name of group. See, all the fonts related options are here. Here, this is called a cell. Sorry, this is called a column. A, B, C, D, E. All are separate columns. And here we have another thing which is known as a row. This 4, 5, 6, all of those things are rows. Okay. If I come here, if I just come here, I click here, see the D and 5 both are getting selected. That means this is the intersection, this cell, this box is the intersection of two different things, right? This is the intersection of a column and a row. That's why this box or this cell's name is D5. First is the column name and second is the row name. First is the column name and second is the row name. Okay, so here in the cells we can put our data. We can go to the cells just by using those keys. These are known as the arrow keys. See, I'm able to move here and there just by using those keys. Okay, here I can increase the size of the cell just by this. Right now I'm just adding some writing some names. Name, then role, then Bengali, English and Hindi. And after that, total marks. Here I shall write few names. I've written few names. And now I shall just write the roll numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are roll numbers. Let's give them some marks out of 100. So right now I need to calculate the total. So how can I calculate the total? To calculate the total, I shall use something which is known as formula. I shall just give here space equal sign, then write here sum, then first bracket, and then just click on the marks of Bengali, then English and Hindi, and drag over it and close it, and then hit enter. See, my total marks came. And after that, I just have to come here and drag it below. See, automatically Excel has calculated all of my marks. See how much easier it is when we are using Excel to calculate, to play with data. Apart from that, we can arrange the data properly. See, I am just, to keep it centered, we have to come here. Then we can select in that thing and click on borders and then all borders. So we have got the borders all around it. Now just select it and make it bold. Now it is bold. So like that we can do our work. Now I can just come here on the files and click here and then save as, and right now I can give it a name called class 5, and then now it is saved. So that's how we can work in Excel. In the practical class we will learn more. So bye bye for today. Practice those things at home. Thank you.